So here the question is, two solution A and B, each of 100 liter, was made by dissolving 4 grams of NaOH and 9.8 grams of H2SO4 in water respectively. So the pH of resulting solution obtained from mixing 40 liter of solution A and 10 liter of solution B is. So the answer, you can find the answer by the molarity of NaOH, which is 10 to the power minus 3, and the molarity of H2SO4, which is also 10 to the power minus 3. So now we have to find the equivalent of NaOH. We find it by using this formula, and by keeping the value we get 0.04. Same goes with H2SO4. We use the same formula and keeps the value, and we get 0.02. And after that we subtract the equivalent of NaOH from equivalent of H2SO4 to find out the total. So by keeping that and solving all of them, we get 3.4, and to find pH we divide the value from 14 and we get 10.6. So the answer is 10.6. Thank you.